A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is Human Brain's Cosmic Connect, a fathomless source of energy, enlightenment, and empowerment. Ladies and gentlemen, the human brain stands as a masterpiece of creation, a microcosm mirroring the vastness of the universe. Beyond its biological intricacies lies an extraordinary truth. The brain is an energy system intricately designed to interact with the cosmos, to seek higher sources of energy, to generate empowerment, and to share energy for universal harmony. Yet, our sensory perceptions limit the scope of this connection, confining us to a fragment of the visible cosmos. What lies beyond immeasurable sources of energy still awaits discovery, driven by the brain's health, energy status, and innate quest for growth. At the core of human life, the cardiovascular system generates energy to power the brain, enabling it to act as both a receiver and a transmitter of energy. The brain's ability to scan, process, and connect with its surroundings, whether societal, natural, or cosmic, depends fundamentally on its health and energy reserves. A healthy, energized brain can expand its reach, seeking out higher potential energy sources that elevate creativity, enlightenment, and progress. Conversely, a fatigued brain remains tethered to limited horizons, unable to unlock the vast opportunities presented by the universe. Human biology, finely tuned to the rhythms of the cosmos, finds its most profound alignment with the sun. The circadian clock embedded within each cell operates in harmony with the solar cycle, guiding periods of rest, activity, and regeneration. Sunlight, the lifeblood of this rhythm, triggers the production of positive hormones like serotonin, uplifting the mood, enhancing focus, and boosting energy levels. This cosmic alignment, powered by the sun, ensures that the brain operates at its peak, extending its reach from self to society, nature, and beyond. Yet, the human sensory system is inherently limited. The visible cosmos, what we can see and perceive, represents only a fraction of the universe's vastness. Elevating the brain's health and energy status, however, can expand its sensory reach, enabling deeper interactions with the unseen forces that govern existence. Modern neuroscience and quantum biology hint at the brain's potential to connect with energy at levels beyond our current understanding. As its health improves, the brain becomes more attuned to higher potential energy sources, sparking growth, enlightenment, and a sense of universal purpose. This exchange of energy is not one-sided. The brain, as part of a cosmic energy system, also shares energy with lower potential sources, fostering balance and harmony. This dual role, seeking higher energies for growth while empowering others, is the essence of human progress and the principle of energy sharing within the universe's grand design. What's the way forward? To transcend limitations and unlock the brain's cosmic potential, humanity must prioritize physical, mental, and spiritual well-being. The sun, as the central force of the cosmic rhythm, must be embraced as a natural regulator of human health and energy. Practices such as mindfulness, meditation, and immersion in nature can further harmonize human systems with the cosmic flow, elevating energy and perception both. Advancements in brain entrainment through various therapies offer additional pathways to enhance the brain's scanning capacity and its connection to the universe. By aligning with the sun's rhythm and the energy systems of the cosmos, humanity can unlock untapped potential for individual and collective growth. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, the human brain is more than a biological organ. It is a bridge between the tangible and the infinite, a beacon of energy within the cosmic system. Its synchronization with the sun and the natural rhythms of the solar system imbues it with the capacity to generate, receive, and transmit energy, driving enlightenment and progress. Yet, as vast as our universe appears, our sensory perceptions offer only a glimpse of its boundless energy. By nurturing brain health and aligning with cosmic forces, humanity can transcend its limitations, unlocking the power to connect, grow, and contribute to universal harmony. The Master Creator's design ensures that energy flows from higher to lower potentials, fostering balance and progress across the cosmic system. In this sacred equilibrium, fueled by the sun's rhythm and the brain's quest for higher potential, lies humanity's true purpose: to grow in capacity, to illuminate the unknown, and to empower the greater good. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.